Introducing the Subnado Underwater Scooter, your gateway to a world of aquatic adventures and unforgettable experiences. Imagine having the power of the ocean in the palm of your hand. That's what the Subnado offers, compact and portable without compromising on performance. Measuring just 14.84 inches in length, 2.75 inches in width, and 2.75 inches in height, and weighing a mere 3 pounds, the Subnado is as portable as it gets. But don't let its size fool you. This little powerhouse delivers up to 14.33 pounds of thrust, thanks to its proprietary, highly efficient propulsion system. Your Subnado goes where you go, conveniently fitting in your carry-on luggage, complete with an airline-approved 98 battery. Now, let's talk freedom. The Subnado puts the freedom of exploration right in your hands. With our proprietary and intuitive finger ring controller, you can navigate the Subnado with a single finger, and with a wide range of accessories and quick-release designs, you can attach the Subnado anywhere you like on your arms, legs, or even a gas cylinder. Lock into gear with cruising mode and experience the ultimate freedom as you explore the depths of the ocean, but it's not just for the pros. The Subnado is designed to be fun for all. Encased in a robust and anodized aluminum alloy housing, it can dive as deep as 197 feet, making it perfect for snorkeling, paddleboarding, or just some pool fun. And guess what? You can capture every thrilling moment with the Subnado. With a mounting ring for accessories, you can add up to 3 extra accessories, including a GoPro and underwater fill light, to enhance your underwater photography and videography. And don't worry about running out of power. Our proprietary battery system ensures you stay charged and ready for action. Using Subnado's advanced 100W fast charging technology, it takes just 1.2 hours to fully charge the battery, giving you up to 56 minutes of underwater exploration. Get ready to dive into a world of adventure with the Subnado Underwater Scooter. Compact, powerful, and designed for all ages. Get yours today and experience the magic of the deep.